Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Expert Computer Tech. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to get more tech and tricks video updates. Thank you. Hello friend, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Friend, make sure before deleting your Instagram account, you take the backup of your all the data like photo, video that you have posted on your Instagram account. So let's start now. So for that, what we need to do, we need to open our Instagram and then we need to click on our profile picture at the bottom. Make sure we are in our profile page, and then we need to click on three lines from the right top corner. Then we need to click on settings. Under settings, we need to click on help. After that, we need to click on help center. After help center, we need to click again on the three lines from the right top, and then we need to click on manage your account. Under manage your account, we need to click on delete your account. Here you will get three options. So we need to click on second option that say how do I delete my Instagram account. So once we click on it, and we need to scroll it down, and here we will see delete your account. So we need to click on delete your account. And once we will click on the delete your account, it will ask us the reason why we want to delete our account. We can give it any reason, like I am giving it too many ads. So after that, it will ask us the password. Why? So let me put my password here, and then we need to click on delete and then click on OK. So friend, you can see my account has been deleted now. Now I do not have the access of my Instagram anymore. So this is the way you can delete your Instagram account also. Thank you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to get new update. Thank you.